powered by a turbo diesel 3-liter V6 engine. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features rear spoiler, performance package, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Bluetooth wireless, satellite radio, HD radio, technology package, and third row seating. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.